In this video, I'd like to talk to you about the importance of discovering your own hedgehog, why you should do it. Did you ever get a grind in school? I did. And I got grinds at subjects that I was weak at, till I become average at them. I never got a grind at something that I was good at, where I had the potential to become excellent at. It's important, as we progress through life, that we build on our strengths, that we get help at what we are already good at and become excellent at it. So, while it's important that we develop as rounded individuals, they are competent in work and in life, there is no point dying with a lot of strong weaknesses. The funny thing about hedgehogs is, while we all have one, very few of us actually know what it is. And not knowing what your hedgehog is can be a grave opportunity loss. Knowing what it is and utilising it, implementing your hedgehog, becoming your hedgehog if you wish, can be the greatest gift that you ever get. In general, I believe that the more that you know about yourself, the better, because the better your choices will be. And in an increasingly competitive world, making good choices is very, very important, be it career or be it mate. It makes no difference. It's important to match your interests and your passion and your talents to your role. I could say this equally applies to love. It's difficult to be successful in a career. It's difficult to be successful in affairs of the heart if you're bored. In this series of videos, I'm going to give you practical tools and techniques, a process if you wish, to help you identify your hedgehog. The areas that we will be addressing are things like behaviours, how you do things, attitudes, what drive you, your hidden motivators, aptitudes, interests, and so on. Now, a word of warning, while there's a solid scientific basis to much of this, it's still something of an art. And you should consider all the exercises you do as more a guide to your thinking, rather than a definitive solution in themselves. It's about informing your choices. It's about identifying possibilities and opportunities, rather than saying, this is it. The more you clarify your thinking, the better. In the end, it's you who has to decide. It's you who has to take responsibility for your career, for your life. Therefore, it's you who has to make the choices. Having said this, there's every reason for you to become as familiar as you possibly can with the tools and techniques I describe, so that, in fact, you have this understanding and you can make these choices.